favorite superhero, I like Elastigirl from The Incredibles. She can stretch out her arms, you're sitting on the couch, you can reach stuff, so I would like that superpower.
My favorite superhero is Wonder Woman.
Ah, that's easy, man. I was a Hulk fan. You know, one word answers. You always needed Hulk in just about any situation.
My favorite superhero is Green Lantern. I'll change it up a little bit because I think he's got a cool ring and he's got like all the powers of Superman. Cool superhero.
It's Wonder Woman. As a woman in technology, in business, I always want to be a Wonder Woman.
Well, I'm going to go with Wonder Woman. And a Wonder Woman can get around the country, could go client to client, day to day, be right there on site with the customers, which I would truly love.
I have a lot of superheroes. I'm probably going to pick Superman because he can fly. But however, I will say that Wonder Woman and the invisible plane ranks pretty high to me too, so.
My favorite superhero currently is Spider-Man because my 1.5-year-old likes Spider-Man.
Well, you know, I was going to say that it was Wonder Woman, but I decided against that. It's actually Molly and Liz that run DynamicsCon. I can't imagine two more remarkable and kind women, and so they are definitely my superheroes.